We will continue with second quiz. Today we finished first quiz last time. Let me start here. So the first question. So the question is, which of these commands doesn't show lines from the content of the file but? So head but, cut but, sort but, tail but, ls but. What do you think is the right answer?
I think it's A, head but.
Actually, no, the correct answer is this one, because it says doesn't show lines, and head but shows top 10 lines of the file but. Cut but shows all the lines of the file but. Sort but shows all the lines of the file but sorted. So it shows all the lines in sorted order. Tail but shows last 10 lines of the file but, and ls but just shows the name of the file. So the correct answer should be this one.
Okay.
If mask is a script that contains the line umask 0777, what will display this command? Umask 0022, and then dot mask, and then umask. Maybe this is a little bit difficult question because we have not started with scripts yet, but so if we execute the script with this name and it contains this command, then this is the command that will be executed actually. By executing this script, we will execute this command because this script contains only one command inside. So we set umask 0022, and then this command will be executed, umask 07777, and then this umask is going to show what is the current mask, and the current mask is this one because this was set so the second time, and it overrides this one. So the correct answer should be this one actually. Your answer is incorrect. A second. Oh. Yeah, this is a tricky question, I think. Let me see if there is any explanation here. I think it should either this or this is the correct answer. But if this is not the correct answer, it should be this one. But let me see why, because it seems to be tricky. Here, but we have to try it to make sure that this is the correct answer or not. It is easy to try. It is easy to try. So okay, umask. Let's see what is umask right now. Okay, umask is this one, and then we say umask 0022. And then we have a script called here. A script that is called mask. And this script contains the line umask 0777. Umask 077. And in order to execute it, we have to make it executable. So the first command was this one, and then the second, actually it was like this: umask 0002, and then dot mask, and then umask. Yes, it actually, the correct answer is this one. Why? Because umask is setting umask for the current shell, and when we run a script, we are running the subshell, and the command umask inside this script is changing umask inside in the subshell. But in the current shell, the umask is unchanged. Okay, it is very. You cannot understand it right now. So just remember that it is this one, the correct answer. Okay. What displays this command? Echo x a range from 0 to 4, and then comma b 5,6, and then I think this will be expanded to A1, A2, A3, and A4. 5 values because it starts from 0, and then this one will be expanded by the shell to 2 values, B5 and B6. B5 and B6. And then because here we have another expansion, each of them will start with X and will end with Y. So we are going to have X and Y here, and then X, Y, X, Y. Let us check. This is the correct answer, and this. I cannot. I don't know how to copy paste. Okay, I can. I can start this terminal because here I know how to copy paste. Okay. Let me copy it and then. We can check that this is actually the correct answer. No. I want to maximize. We have a file called names, which contains a list of names in the format first name, last name, one per line. We want to order them by the last name without changing the format. Which of these commands should be used? Select one. Cut. What do you think is the right answer?
I think it's C.
Yes, you're right. It is this one, because it is saying sort the file names using the second column as the sorting key. And this is what we want to do without changing the order of the columns, first name and last name. The operator greater sends the output of one command as input to another command. Is this true or false?
I think it's false.
Yes, it is false, because it sends the output of a command to a file, not as an input to another command. It is the pipe operator that sends the output of one command as input to another command. Let me check it. Yes. What will be displayed if we execute this command? Echo hi, redirect it to the file A, and then semicolon, another command here, move A to B, and then this pipe, and then WC. And then there are these options, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, or nothing.
I don't know this one.
You don't know. Okay, we can execute it, but we can try it. It is easy to try, but I think the answer will be 0, because the first command just creates this file that has one line, with this as one line. And then we have this move command, which is going to rename this file to this file. But the command move itself does not produce any output. So there is no output sent to through the pipe to this command, or it is just an empty output. The command wc -c is counting the number of characters, but since there is no output, I think it should be 0 characters. So the correct answer should be 0. Let us check it. So the correct answer is 0, and I hope you understand why it is 0. Because we have a file that has one line. It doesn't matter. Maybe it has 10 lines or 20. It doesn't matter. This command here, move, does not produce any output. So if I try this it is a file with one line. And now I try this command. You see that it does not produce any output. And we send the output of this command to the command wc, count the number of characters. And since there are no characters in the output, the answer should be 0. What will be displayed if we execute this command? This is a little bit difficult.
Yeah, let me
because,
think.
Okay. No, it is difficult because I have not explained yet this. So we have not explained yet in the lesson this construct. Okay. Anyway, the effect of this construct is that the output of all the commands will be how to say, concatenated together. So the output of this command will be concatenated with the output of this command, and with the will be concatenated with the output of this command. And as a result, all this expression is going to be 3 lines: A in the first line, C in the second line, and then B in the third line. And then this is sent through the pipe to the command sort with the option -R is reverse. So A, C, and B will be sorted in reverse order. And in reverse order, it should be B, C, and A, I think. So no, C, B, and A.
Yeah,
So
yes.
maybe this is the correct answer. The good thing is that we can test this command and we can try it. Let me copy it again. C, B, and A, yes. But here we have not represented it well because they are in the same line. Actually, each of them is in one line. Because you see, this command is producing this output, A, C, and B. And then when we send it to sort will sort it from the smallest to the largest, A, B, and C. But with the option R, it does a reverse sorting. So it will be C line first, and then B, and then A. Which of these commands will copy to the file bar the contents of the file 1 and then append it to the content of file 2? Echo 1 to bar, cut 1 cut to the bar.
I think it's B.
B. So this will copy to the file bar the content of the file 1. Yes, that's right. The first command will copy the content of the file 1 to the file bar. Okay, and then this one will append the content of the file 2 to the file bar. I think this should be the correct answer.
Yes.
what will be displayed if we execute this command, hi, and then we redirect it to the file out, and then sort minus r, and then out to hi, nothing. What do what is the correct answer in your opinion?
I don't know. I think it's D, IH.
IH. Why do you think it is IH?
I don't.
I think the correct answer is this one, and let's try it by executing these commands, because they are short commands. It is easy to execute. So first of all, it is hi out. Now you see that this command does not exist. There is no such command like hi, and it is displaying an error message, but the error message is displayed in standard error. In standard output, there is displayed nothing. And now we are redirecting the standard output of this command to the command sort. And actually, this is the error message that is displayed. So the command sort does not get anything, but still sort r does not change it, because the command sort does not get anything. So there is an error message that is being displayed actually. So I think I have to edit this question and correct it, because it is actually an error message that is being displayed. So actually, the correct answer should be this. It displays an error message because the command hi does not exist, and so the bash is going to display an error message. And sort is not sorting anything because it gets no input. But actually, there is an error message that is displayed by this non-existing command. Okay, this question is similar to the question that we saw previously, but it is actually different, because we had dot and then slash mask, and now we have dot and space mask. This is again a difficult question, because we have not discussed yet this feature. It is related to the scripts. This dot makes an include. It is including the content of this file, and it is executing the commands in this file, but by including them in the current shell. So in this case, the commands that are executed are this one, and then all the lines in this file are executed as the command, and then it contains only this line. So this command is executed, and then this command. So the correct answer in this case should be this one. So this is the correct answer, and let's check it. Now we are executing this command umask first. And then this dot is like including the command. It includes the commands that are in this file. But actually, these commands are executed in the same shell. And then with umask, we check what is the umask. Let's try the answer. So the answer is this one. And if we execute it, if we do it like this with a slash, as it was in the previous example, then okay, now it is executable. So if we do it like this, we set umask to this value, and then we are executing this shell script. But the commands in this shell script are executed in a subshell, and so the umask is changed in the subshell. And when the script is done, the subshell is terminated. And the umask in this subshell, in this shell, in the current shell, is actually this one. So it is a small difference with this case, but with this example, but the answer is actually different. So it is a difficult question for this quiz. If the file 9 contains 9 lines, where each line contains the number of the line from 1 to 9, what will be displayed by the command sort r99, and then pipe, and then tail -5, and then head, and then pipe, and then head -1. A difficult question. Let's try it.
I think it A55. 1 second.
Okay, this may be the correct answer. Most probably this is the correct answer. Yes, this is the correct answer. But we can try it actually. So we have a file with the numbers one per line. So with 9 lines, each line has the number 1, 2, 3, and so on. So this is the file, and then we have sort R9 9. So this command sort R99, actually the command sort can take more than one file. So we have used the command sort with only one file, and it is sorting the lines of this file. But it can take more than one file. In this case, it is taking 2 files, and it is sorting the content of both files. So take the content of this one, append to the content of this one, and then sort all the lines. So what is happening is that it is sorting it, and we are sorting in reverse order. So we get 99, 88, 77, 66, 55, 44, 33, 22, 11. And now we do tail 5 and then head 1. Tail 5. This tail 5 is going to get the last 5 lines, because tail is getting from the bottom 5 lines from the bottom. So here we have 5 lines from the bottom, and now we are passing this output to the command head 1. This is getting the first line of this input, which is this one. So the correct answer actually should be 3. So actually this should be the correct answer. How many arguments will the command sort take if we run these commands in an empty directory? Append, send the output to the file A1, and then there is this command touch A2 BACL, and then the output is sent to all, and then sort A star. This may also be difficult to find out by reasoning, by logic. The best thing is to try it, but let's try to make a guess. Now, this command who I guess does not exist. There is no command such like this. It is going to give an error message when we run this one. It is going to give an error message, but nevertheless, this file will be created. It will be an empty file, but it will be created. So all this is going to give an error message because who does not exist, but it will also create an empty file with a name A1. And then the command touch is going to create these 4 files, empty files. And then the output of the command touch will be stored to the command alt. Actually, the command touch does not have any output, but anyway, the file all will be created, which is empty. And then this sort A star this A star will be replaced by shell with this A star will be replaced by shell with the names of the files in this directory that start with A. And okay. The question is, how many arguments will the command sort take? So A star will be replaced by all the files that start with A. And how many files there are in the current directory that start with A? This one starts with A, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So the command sort is going to take 4 arguments. So I guess the correct answer should be this one, 4. And let's try these commands. It says in an empty directory. So first we should create an empty directory. Or we can remove this, and now we have an empty directory. And let me copy this. Actually, we can replace the command sort with the command echo. First, let's remove all these files. So you see that this file A1 has been created. Also, these 4 files are created by touch, but also this file is created in order to get the output of this command. The output, this command does not output anything at all, but anyway, it creates an empty file. So we have all these files. And if we say echo not this one, A star starts with A. If we say echo A star, then the shell is expanding this A star to all the names of files that start with A. And these are the names of files that start with A. And the same thing will be for the command sort. So if echo takes 4 arguments, then the sort command will take 4 arguments as well. So the correct answer is 4. It is a bit difficult, Andrei, is it?
Yeah, yes, it's a little bit difficult.
Okay. Which of these commands doesn't redirect standard error and standard output to the same file? So 3 of these commands redirect both standard error and standard output to the same file. One of them does not do it. Which is that command that does not redirect both of them? Okay, this has you have to remember some things because there is no logic here. So this one redirects the standard error to the standard output. This also redirects both standard error and standard output to the same file. This also redirects standard error and standard output, but appends the lines to the existing content of the file. This overrides the content of the file that comes on the right. This is appending, and the wrong command is this one. So I think this is the command that does not redirect both standard error and standard output to the same file. We have executed the command last pipe cut minus d minus f, and then redirect the output of this command to the file foo. Which of these commands can be used to display the user with the highest number of logins? Okay, first of all, the command last shows the number of logins. So last is showing a listing of last logged in users. So the command last is showing a list of the users that have logged into the system. And we send the output of command last to the command cut, and we use empty space as a delimiter or separator, and then we get the first field, the field number 1, and we send this content to the file foo. So let's try it. Command last cut. Okay, there is something wrong. Okay, the file foo, it seems that it contains as the first line the user that is logged in last. So we want to find the command that gets the first line from this file. So which of these commands can be used to display the user with the highest number of logins? No, the user with the highest number of logins. Okay, this is not a very correct question because the output of this command. So if you, probably this should be the correct answer, but it doesn't make sense with this command. This command is wrong. Maybe there should be some other command. This is also a question about something that I've not explained yet in the lessons, because it is asking which of these commands will execute command 2 if and only if command 1 is successfully executed. And the correct answer is this one, because there are these two operators in Bash, and this is like a logical AND. If you remember logical operators, if maybe you have done it in school. So if the output of this, if this command is executed successfully, then this command will be executed as well. And this is like a logical OR. If this command fails, then this command will be executed. But if this command is executed, then if this command is successful, then this command will not be executed. But here, if this command is successful, then this command will be executed as well. But if this command fails, then this command will not be executed at all. So which of these commands will execute command 2 if and only if command 1 is executed successfully? The correct answer should be this one. And we will see it later in the scripts as well, but we can make a simple test. For example, true is a simple command which is executed always successfully. And if I say true and because this is executed successfully, this will not be executed. But if I say because this is executed successfully and we have an AND, then this command will also be executed. And if I say false, this is a command that is not successful. So because this command failed and we have an OR here, then this command will be executed. But I have this AND. This command fails. It means that this command will not be executed at all. So, okay, it is a bit advanced for this quiz. Maybe it should be in another quiz, this question later. How many lines will be displayed if we execute the command lsl bin dev now? What is the answer? What do you think?
I don't know.
So this command ls is going to display the content of this directory, long listing. But actually, the output of the command will be sent to this dev null. Actually, it is a slash missing here, I think. So since the content is being sent to this dev null, it is like sending it to throwing it away. So maybe the answer is 0. Yes, but there is one missing slash here, and we can actually test it. We need a slash here. So it displays 0 lines. So without this, lsl slash bin. Okay, this is a symbolic link to the user bin. It displays something. Anyway, this command displays something. But if I redirect the output of a command to a file, the content of the output of the command is going to go to this file. And actually, this dev null is a special device, and everything that is sent to this special file is like throwing it away. So the correct answer is 0 lines. Let me correct this. What will be displayed if we execute this command? Echo this, and then this command, and then this command, and this command, and then get the. So we can take them step. We can take it step by step. What does this command do? It is creating this file, which contains only this line, the line with three A's. Okay.
Okay.
It is creating this file A, and this file contains only this line. Now the second step, copy A to B. What is doing this command? It is going to copy the file A to the file B. So it is going to create a second file B, which is equal to the file A. So we'll make a copy of this file. And let's try it. Copy A to B. Now we have this file B. What is the content of the file B? Is equal to the content of the file A. So we have files A and B, which have the same content, one line with three A's. And then echo, what does this command do?
Echo BVV.
Yes. This command shows one line with three B's. but this is a redirection operator which appends this line to the file B. So it is going to append this line to this file. And after this, we have the file B. The file B had only this line. Now it has this line as well. And the file A is the same as before. It is unchanged. And, the next step is cut A to B. What do you think does this command?
Cut A to B.
Mhm.
This override the context of file B with the context of file A.
Exactly, yes, it will override the content. So the file B will contain the same thing as file A, which is 3 lines, 3 A's, one line with 3 A's. So let's try it. And now the file B has the same content as file A again, and file A is not changed. The file A again has only 3 A's. And now the command cut B, what does it do?
This display the context of file B to the terminal.
Yes, right. And what is the content of file B?
It's AAA.
Yes, it's just one line with 3 A's. And what is the correct answer here?
The correct answer should be B, AAA, or
yes, that's it. So if you follow it step by step, it is actually easy to find it.
yes.
So Henry, if you are tired, then we can continue tomorrow because actually the time is up. We
Yes,
can continue with.
I'm a little bit sick too.
Yes. Okay. Get well soon, and see you tomorrow.